where we are at today?
Universal Studios
The
Hollywood.
Minions?
Oh,
Yeah, we're at Universal Studios Hollywood right now, using our passes. I got my mummy shirt from Graveyard Goods. Halloween hat, Graveyard Goods, but mostly mummy because I haven't worn it here yet. I bought it like last year, so.
So it's gonna be a good time. There's a new store. Which one is it?
Oh yeah, the Super Nintendo World. It's at the feature presentation store right now, so there it is. We're gonna go check it out and see what cool stuff they have. Let's go. This is the old Super Nintendo, like cartridge, but it's cups. Look at the Loungefly again. I know it's not actually Loungefly, but it looks like one. It's a fake. How much is it?
How much?
Yeah.
In the bottom. Oh, there it is. 65.
Yeah. It's cool.
I like this one. Look, it's Yoshi and all his friends.
All his friends.
Yeah. Yoshi! Mario. Just jumping on the van.
Who's on Princess Peach?
Her cake? No.
There's a lot of characters out today. It looks like the people in the New York Italian section are back out again. Let's go see them.
Yeah, I waited until 6. Thank you. That's your first visit? It's your first time here, young lady? Uh-oh, sorry. Oh, I just I'm gonna put it on top of the umbrella. Everything's fine. Everything's fine.
Very nice.
When they close the umbrella.
You're holding a camera?
Yeah,
That's not.
she's a spy. It's a mini camera.
Looks like the camera fell off and you didn't realize.
Hold up the hold up.
The GoPro fell off in the parking garage.
Studio tour is only 10 minutes. 'Cause everything else is longer, so this is what we're gonna do right now.
That view. From here, you can see Warner Brothers Studios.
Oh yeah.
Hey, we have to check out their tour soon too.
We are in August.
But don't let them get wet or damaged on board the vehicle. Last but not least, there is no smoking of any kind, and selfie sticks, they're not allowed extended on board the tram. That is it for the rules. Let's get this party started. Here for Super Nintendo World Opening 2023. Get your hats, get your shirts, where we make sure everybody looks good and sounds good before you get to enjoy them. Because we have over 400 acres on our lot, we could do every phase of production without leaving our property. If you watched the little-known movie Back to the Future, it also filmed in that City Hall building to your left. That was the very same courthouse that sent Marty McFly to the future. And there's a lot of excitement happening there to your left. If you peek behind that courthouse, you will see there are some wig-wag lights on in the distance. That is for American Song Contest. Now, American Song Contest does broadcast live every Monday, 8 p.m. We got the Ferrari 308 from Magnum PI. Now, that is a Ferrari body frame over a Volkswagen engine, so it looks good, but it doesn't go very fast, kind of like your tour guide. Some of these cars don't even go at all. Like some of these Fast and Furious cars to your left don't actually have working engines. And some of these picture cars aren't even cars at all. We have a brand new picture car we brought in called the Crawdaddy. That is from Jordan Peele's Us, ladies and gentlemen.
No way.
That was aged for the film. So what you're seeing is all those little details, that production design. See, the point of the picture car is to build the world around your performers. Like this tank here from Transformers is made almost entirely out of wood. It doesn't have an engine in it. It's easy to move around and light on fire, and that's exactly what they used it for in Transformers, right? They set it up for their stunt scenes. And it's those little details that bring everything to life. Now, if you're focused on a car, like how Back to the Future focus is on. Welcome to Costa Rica, ladies and gentlemen. I told you Nathan was a fast driver. I was not kidding. We have gone back in time to Jurassic Park, and around us we can see. So brought us back in time. It's for the celebrities. That's what I promised you today. So we might have a celebrity signing session on our hands if we're lucky. So put your cameras away. Get out a piece of paper. I don't know if the celebrities are still out here, but yeah. Here we go. Yes, and they are handing out signatures as well. We are so lucky today. Get ready, Cartoon. Here they come. Here they come. Oh, put your hands out. Nicely done. And we have a. Oh wow! Look at that. We have a selfie opportunity right there. With the Spinosaurus, she looks happy. I don't know, it's really hard to tell from emotion. But I'm thinking maybe. And if you got that signature, I want to say congratulations. You have met a celebrity now. They've signed something for you. Them are real as well, brought in to create that movie. So when you watch this movie, it's very difficult to say, did this film in Hawaii or did this film here on the back lot? Okay, there is a little bit of thunder. No big deal, no big deal. When I say this is one of the driest locations, I mean, you have seen this area in the Three Amigos, Nacho Libre, Picard, dry as a desert. Oops. But not today. Okay, well, not a big deal. It's okay. The only people who should be nervous about the rain is anybody sitting in a blue seat. If you're in a blue seat, you're in a splash zone seat, so you'll probably get wet if it, rain a lot, but everybody else is going to be fine. So don't worry about me. You hear that sound?
Watching it reset itself.
Special effects. No. Continue filming, ladies and gentlemen. Everything you film is admissible in court. No! Okay, you know what? I promise you, Celebrity Course designed by director Alfred Hitchcock and his team. It's sits by director Steven Spielberg and his team for their movie War of the Worlds.
Set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
When we first began to sit down to talk about the War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a good neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep your eyes on me. Eyes on me. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Just kind of closed.
Of Hollywood, it is 50 feet long. Now, anything that's since we did, I have one present for you. Take a look to your right. A beautiful view of the real Hollywood. You got Warner Brothers down there, ABC Studios is that beige and green building, Universal, of course.
All right, they're getting somewhere with the facade in the central area by Mel's Diner. Looking good. So we're about to try Jurassic water at the Irish pub here. What's in it, Gustavo?
What I saw while he was making it, I know it has rum, gin, tequila. I think he had triple sec to it. And then I know he used I can't remember the name. It's a green bottle. It's like a green juice bottle and a blue bottle.
All right, try it. It's gonna be too strong for me.
No, you're gonna like it. It's very
Sweet.
sour, citrusy. Yeah.
Let me try it. Wow. I want to get this every time I come there. Yeah, right now we're in our secret spot. What are you doing there, Gustavo?
My name is Gustavo. And as you can see right here, you can see Super Mario World.
There's a good spot to look at Super Mario besides the escalators. It's a little bit easier behind the Minion splash pad area. He had a good idea to come over here to look at it. Wow. A lot of work's been done since almost a month ago we were here for my birthday. So it's looking good. Can't wait to see like all the moving pieces are going across. I hope they can. They're gonna have to have some kind of virtual system because it looks small. Yeah. I hope they have the food place in there too, like they do in Japan.
Better than I was on my first day, which was yesterday. I didn't have liquid courage to get me through though. Maybe that's the trick. Maybe that's the secret. What? Can you get a what? A job here? You most certainly can. How old are you?
I'll be the best.
This would be the best job for you, I think. Olivia, you want to?
There he is.
Frankenstein. It's a monster. Look at those shoes. It's like a Spice Girl.
Spice Girl. There's Beetlejuice.
He's been here. Hey, he's been here.
They got, oh look, they got, is this Marty McFly?
Yeah, Marty McFly. Doc.
These are new.
Yeah, these are all new.
I like that shirt. I'm not a big fan of Back to the Future, but I like it. Look at these socks.
Marty!
He's going 80 miles per an hour on those socks right there. There you guys have it. That was our day at Universal Studios Hollywood. Got some HHN updates for you. Not much, but it's getting there. Super Mario World, getting there. Hopefully next year we'll still have our passes when it opens up.
I think we will.
We had a great time studio tour. Got our express and the best 3 rides on the lower lot. And now we're gonna go eat at Anajitos. Get some elote. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one. Later.